And we'll try it with both cameras, right? Okay, what does that look like?
A naked woman on the floor?
Yeah.
She's on the ceiling now?
Well, yeah, no, but I mean you just flip the video from underneath, right? Okay. So that would be like...
And it's moving, right? If it's turning?
Yeah, no, it's a 360. That's what's interesting. It's a complete 360. It's a laser illuminated multiplex hologram by Lloyd Cross. And put it in the light.
Oh yes. That's sharp.
That's sharp, right? How's that? Now I'm going to move it to another section. Okay.